Back in the village, Lily shared her magical encounter with the townsfolk. Inspired by her tale, they gathered at the village square, eager to witness the enchantment that Wishing Woods had bestowed upon Lily. With a sense of ceremony, Lily planted the enchanted acorn in the village square. As the first rays of sunset bathed the village in warm hues, the acorn sprouted, its roots digging into the soil. In an instant, the village square transformed into a whimsical haven. The trees shimmered with colorful lights, reminiscent of the fireflies in Wishing Woods. Flowers that bloomed in a myriad of hues adorned the pathways, and gentle melodies, reminiscent of the birds in the woods, echoed through the air. The once dull village square had become a place of enchantment, mirroring the magic of Wishing Woods. Children laughed and danced among the flowers, while adults marveled at the transformation. Lily, with tears of joy in her eyes, felt a warm embrace of gratitude from the Heartstone Grove. The enchantment didn't stop there. The magic of Wishing Woods extended beyond the village square, touching every corner of Harbor Haven. Houses were adorned with glowing lights, and the once babbling brooks in the village seemed to carry the melodies of the woods. The entire village became a reflection of the whimsical wonders Lily had encountered. As the seasons changed, so did the magic of Wishing Woods in Harbor Haven. In the winter, snowflakes that glittered like fairy dust adorned the rooftops. In the spring, flowers bloomed in vibrant colors, and the air carried the scent of new beginnings. The village, once ordinary, had become an extraordinary place, where the ordinary and the magical coexisted in perfect harmony. And so, in the charming village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, the legacy of Wishing Woods lived on. Lily, the dreamer with a heart full of wonder, continued to share the tales of her enchanted journey. The villagers, inspired by Lily's sincerity and the magic that embraced them, celebrated the whimsical wonders that had transformed their lives. As the years passed, new generations in Harbor Haven continued to believe in the extraordinary, nurturing the magic of Wishing Woods in their hearts. The village, forever touched by the enchantment that had sprung from a heartfelt wish, stood as a testament to the enduring power of dreams and the extraordinary magic that lies within the ordinary moments of life. The Tale of Celestial Harmony. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between emerald hills and azure streams, there existed a mysterious legend about the celestial harmony. The village, named Serenitia, was said to be guarded by celestial beings who maintained balance and tranquility in the realm. However, as the harmony waned, the villagers noticed subtle shifts in the natural order, whispers of winds carrying untold stories and the shimmering stars hinting at a cosmic imbalance. In the heart of Serenitia lived Mia, a young girl with a special connection to the celestial energies. Mia, with her midnight blue eyes that sparkled like the night sky, had a gift, the ability to hear the whispers of the celestial beings. Guided by an unseen force, she embarked on a quest to restore the celestial harmony and bring peace to her village. Mia's journey led her to the Whispering Grove, an ancient forest where the trees whispered secrets and the air shimmered with celestial magic. In the heart of the grove stood the astral tree, a towering giant with silver leaves that sparkled like constellations. Mia approached the tree, her senses tingling with the resonance of cosmic energies. The astral tree spoke to Mia through the rustling leaves, revealing the tale of the celestial harmony. It told of a celestial artifact, the Starlight Amulet, which held the power to realign the cosmic forces and restore balance. The amulet, however, had been lost through the passage of time, hidden in a realm between the mortal world and the celestial planes. Determined to retrieve the Starlight Amulet, Mia embarked on a celestial odyssey. The astral tree, sensing her pure intentions, granted her a celestial compass, a mystical guide that would point the way to the hidden realm where the amulet lay dormant. Mia's journey led her through enchanted valleys and celestial meadows, where luminescent butterflies danced in the midday sun. The celestial compass guided her through moonlit nights, where the stars whispered ancient melodies that echoed through the cosmos. As Mia ventured deeper into the celestial realm, she encountered ethereal beings, starlight guardians who protected the secrets of the cosmos. These beings, radiant in their luminous attire, acknowledged Mia's quest and shared cryptic riddles that would unlock the path to the hidden realm. Her first trial led her to the Pool of Reflection, a still pond that mirrored the constellations above. The Starlight Guardians posed a riddle: in the reflection of eternity, the key to harmony lies. Seek the answer where the boundaries between sky and water blur. Contemplating the riddle, Mia noticed a point in the pond where the reflection of the stars seemed to converge with the night sky. With a gentle touch, she uncovered a hidden passage and interdimensional gateway to the realm where the starlight amulet awaited. Entering the hidden realm, Mia found herself in the celestial garden, a luminous expanse where celestial flowers bloomed in vibrant hues. In the center stood the Pillar of Radiance, atop which rested the starlight amulet. However, a puzzle awaited, a celestial lock that could only be unraveled by aligning the constellations. As Mia deciphered the cosmic puzzle, the celestial beings sang a harmonious melody that resonated with the stars above. The Pillar of Radiance responded to the celestial harmony, and the starlight amulet descended into Mia's hands. The realm shimmered with approval as Mia cradled the amulet, feeling its celestial energies coursing through her. With the starlight amulet in her possession, Mia retraced her celestial journey, guided by the celestial compass. As she emerged from the hidden realm, the luminous beings of the celestial realm bestowed upon her a cloak woven with stardust, a symbol of her connection to the cosmic forces. Returning to Serenitia, Mia felt the weight of responsibility on her shoulders. The celestial whispers grew louder, urging her to use the starlight amulet to restore the celestial harmony. The villagers, sensing Mia's return, gathered in the village square, their eyes filled with hope. Under the twinkling night sky, Mia raised the starlight amulet, its radiance casting a celestial glow over Serenitia. The amulet emitted a harmonious resonance, and celestial energies flowed through the village. The winds carried whispers of gratitude, and the stars aligned in a celestial dance. As Mia channeled the cosmic forces, the village underwent a transformation. Luminescent flowers bloomed, and the azure streams echoed with the soothing hum of celestial melodies. The emerald hills shimmered with stardust, and the entire village seemed to be embraced by the celestial embrace of harmony. News of Mia's celestial journey and the restoration of the celestial harmony spread far and wide. Travelers from distant lands visited Serenitia, drawn by the tales of a young girl who bridged the mortal world with the celestial realms. Mia, now revered as the celestial guardian of Serenitia, continued to listen to the whispers of the celestial beings. The village, once touched by cosmic imbalance, thrived in the perpetual glow of the restored harmony. Mia, with her stardust cloak and the starlight amulet, became a beacon of celestial wisdom. And so, in the quaint village nestled between emerald hills and azure streams, the legend of the celestial harmony became a timeless tale. The celestial energies that once waned were now woven into the fabric of Serenitia, a reminder that the bonds between mortal and celestial could create a symphony of cosmic harmony. The villagers, under the celestial embrace, lived in gratitude, their hearts resonating with the celestial whispers that echoed through the celestial harmony Mia had restored. The Timeless Lullaby. In the heart of a small town named Harmonvale, nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a young girl named Ilara. Ilara possessed a rare and magical gift, the ability to hear the music of the universe. From the rustle of leaves to the patter of rain, every sound seemed to create a symphony in her ears. As Ilara grew older, she discovered that she could also hear the echoes of time. The past whispered in the rusted creaks of old doors, and the future hummed in the gentle breeze. However, there was one melody that enchanted Ilara the most, the timeless lullaby that echoed from an ancient grandfather clock in the heart of Harmonvale. The grandfather clock, an imposing structure that stood in the town square, was said to have been crafted by an old clockmaker named Alastair. Legend had it that Alastair infused the clock with a piece of his soul, and it held the power to harmonize the passage of time with a soothing lullaby. One day, as Ilara strolled through the town square, she felt an unusual resonance in the air. The familiar ticking of the grandfather clock seemed to synchronize with the beat of her heart. Intrigued, she approached the ancient timepiece and placed her hand on its polished wooden surface. To her surprise, the clock responded. Its hands began to move with an ethereal grace, and a soft, enchanting lullaby filled the square. Ilara closed her eyes, letting the melody weave through her senses like a comforting embrace. The townsfolk gathered, drawn by the mesmerizing tune that seemed to transcend the boundaries of time. The clock's melody told a story, a tale of love, loss, and the eternal dance of moments that composed the symphony of life. Ilara, attuned to the echoes of time, felt a profound connection to the narrative woven by the grandfather clock. She sensed that the lullaby held the key to unlocking the mysteries of time itself. Driven by an inexplicable calling, Ilara decided to unravel the secrets of the timeless lullaby. She delved into the history of Harmonvale, seeking clues about Alistair, the enigmatic clockmaker. Through dusty archives and faded manuscripts, she pieced together the fragments of a forgotten tale. Alistair, it seemed, was not just a skilled craftsman but a dreamer who believed that time could be a source of solace. The grandfather clock, born from his dreams, became a conduit for the timeless lullaby that resonated through the ages. Alistair's wish was simple: to gift the town a melody that would bring comfort to every soul, regardless of the passage of time. With newfound purpose, Ilara set out to unlock the full potential of the timeless lullaby. She consulted wise elders, delved into ancient scrolls, and sought the guidance of the town's musicians. Slowly, the pieces of the puzzle came together, revealing that the lullaby held the power to transport individuals through the corridors of time. The townsfolk, initially skeptical of Ilara's quest, began to witness the extraordinary effects of the lullaby. As the clock chimed, people found themselves reliving cherished memories, revisiting moments of joy and solace. The lullaby, it seemed, had the ability to heal the wounds of time, offering a sanctuary where the past and present coexisted in harmonious resonance. However, with the newfound magic came challenges. Some residents experienced moments of bittersweet nostalgia, confronting long-buried emotions. Ilara, determined to ensure the well-being of her community, became a guide through the temporal journey, helping individuals navigate the intricate threads of their memories. As the town embraced the transformative power of the timeless lullaby, Harmonvale underwent a metamorphosis. The air buzzed with an aura of harmony, and the once divided community found unity in the shared experience of time's embrace. The grandfather clock, now more than a timekeeper, became a symbol of collective memories and shared dreams. One day, as Ilara stood in the town square, gazing at the grandfather clock, she felt a resonance unlike any before. The lullaby, infused with the collective memories of Harmonvale, seemed to transcend its wooden confines. The air shimmered with an ethereal glow, and the townsfolk watched in awe as the clock transformed into a cascade of stardust. In that moment, Ilara understood: the timeless lullaby had become a part of the very fabric of Harmonvale. It was no longer confined to the hands of the clock but echoed in the laughter of children playing, the rustle of leaves in the wind, and the gentle hum of the stream. The townsfolk, now guardians of the timeless lullaby, carried its magic in their hearts. The melody continued to weave through the generations, a reminder that time, though ever-flowing, could be a source of solace and connection. And so, in the heart of Harmonvale, where rolling hills met meandering streams, the timeless lullaby became a living testament to the enduring spirit of a town bound by the magic of its shared memories. Ilara, with a heart full of gratitude, knew that the echoes of the lullaby would continue to resonate, creating a symphony that transcended the boundaries of time and echoed in the tapestry of Harmonvale's timeless tale. The Whispering Grove's Secret. In a quaint village named Eldertree, surrounded by ancient forests and babbling brooks, there existed a hidden grove known as the Whispering Grove. Legend had it that this mystical place held a secret that connected the villagers to the heart of nature itself. Among the villagers was a young girl named Lila. With her emerald green eyes and a perpetually curious spirit, Lila often found solace in the embrace of Eldertree's lush surroundings. She had heard tales of the Whispering Grove since childhood, stories whispered by the elders about the ancient trees that shared secrets and the elusive guardian spirit that watched over the grove. One day, as a gentle breeze carried the scent of pine through the village, Lila felt an inexplicable pull towards the Whispering Grove. The air seemed to hum with a melody that only she could perceive, a beckoning from the heart of the ancient trees. Following the mysterious call, Lila ventured into the depths of the grove. The towering trees seemed to whisper among themselves, their leaves rustling like pages of a forgotten book. Lila, with a sense of reverence, continued deeper until she reached the heart of the grove, an ancient oak tree with gnarled branches that seemed to reach towards the sky. As Lila approached the oak tree, a soft glow enveloped her. The guardian spirit of the Whispering Grove revealed itself, a radiant figure with luminous wings and eyes that sparkled like starlight. The spirit spoke with a voice that echoed through the grove: "Welcome, child of Eldertree. You have heard the whispers, and your heart has guided you here. The time has come to unveil the secret that binds our destinies. In that moment, the ancient oak tree began to shimmer, revealing a hidden door at its base. The guardian spirit gestured towards the door. Beyond lies the Heartstone Chamber. It holds the key to the balance between our village and the forces of nature. You, Lila, are chosen to unlock the chamber and preserve the harmony that sustains Elder Tree. With trepidation and excitement, Lila turned the handle of the door and stepped into the Heartstone Chamber.